This is Tim Gollidge from HCL. Did you know that with HCL Digital Experience you can create powerful personalization rules to target content and applications to your users? In this short video, I'll show how personalization rules can be built to enable website owners to deliver relevant user experiences that can increase audience engagement and drive up the desired business outcome. First, we'll log in as Harry, our site admin. Harry has access to build personalization rules on HCL Digital Experience. Harry uses the Practitioner Studio in HCL Digital Experience to see the business rules that have been set up already. The first rule is a profiler rule. This type of rule categorizes users based on criteria about them. Here, the rule shows how the description field from the user's profile is used to determine their role. Similarly, this rule is using the country field from the user's profile. For example, users in Brazil are categorized as South America. Here, instead of information stored in the user's profile, HCL Digital Experience is using location information dynamically obtained through geolocation APIs to create the segments. This profiler rule uses information obtained from the requesting device to categorize users into profiles. And finally, here is a visibility rule. These can be assigned to pages or portlets to determine what a user sees. Here, the page or portlet will be shown if the public render parameter MyWoodburnProduct has a value, and if the user's role is a consumer. Harry wants to add a new profile for users that are registered in Asia Pacific. He'll classify users who register in Australia or Japan as being in the APAC profile. So first, he'll create the new APAC profile. Then he'll add the conditions that will identify those users that fall into it. Here, he selects the country attribute of the user's profile and identify those users whose country is AU for Australia. Now, he adds those countries whose country is JP for Japan. Finally, he sets the rule to be or rather than and, so that either users registered in Australia or Japan will be identified as being part of the APAC profile. If we quickly log out as Harry and log in as Sam, who is registered as being from Tokyo, we notice that she is currently shown the default profile content, but we'd like her to be shown targeted content instead. Logging back in as Harry, we'll now use this new personalization rule to target the right content. First, we add the new content to show. Remember, this could be a script application or some rich content as we have here. Then, we identify who this content should be targeted at by selecting the segment and profile to use. Harry can also test that the correct content is being shown for this new segment. If we log in once more as Sam, we can see that she is now shown the correct content for users registered in Asia Pacific. These are just some examples of how personalization rules in HCL Digital Experience can be used to create a relevant user experience. Thanks for watching. Please check out the rest of the videos in this series.